Hello, driving intelligence community. I'm driving down a road about 45 miles an hour. I'm at 67, 65 decibels, which is extremely quiet for a 2002 F-150 with the MagnaFlow catback and pace setter shorty headers. Previous video I did that you may have watched showed how I resolved significant cab drone by eliminating harmonics with a J-pipe. In this video I'm going to show you what else caused some drone in this truck and how I fixed that. Keep watching. This fix of the drone was so simple. Here you see my dual exhaust coming back. And sometimes I get under a truck and I just inspect to see if there's anything loose. And this exhaust right here, this dual exhaust on the left side, was loose up here at the hangar. And allowing this thing to vibrate was causing significant drone in the cab. So it's a good thing to go through. If you got drone, go through your exhaust and make sure all your hangers are tight, all your rubber isolators are in good shape, and if they need to be tightened or replaced, do it. I really am surprised at the reduction in cab drone as a result of doing this.